So moving on, right? Let's talk about how to set up your time frame for trading. So I'm sure you know by now that when you want to change time frame, it's at this area over here on your charts, the top left hand side. And just to share with you a few tips and tricks, right? What you can do is click on this down arrow, and you can actually select the type of time frame that you want. If maybe you like something special, maybe a 37-minute time frame, okay, you can just click add, and a 37-minute time frame will pop up over here if you want to trade a 37-minute time frame. And also, this is another tip that I learned from one of the subscribers, right? Previously, when I was always trying to change time frame, I go down the arrow here and select the respective time frame. So what you can do is, if you have a few time frames that you are always flipping back and forth, you can actually bookmark it and make your life easier. So what I've done is I've bookmarked the 2-hour time frame, the 4-hour, 8-hour, daily, and weekly. So when you bookmark it, right, all those time frames will appear at the top over here. So for example, let's say I bookmarked a 1-hour time frame, it will pop up over here. Okay, so anyway, I don't really look at the 1 hour, so let me just remove it. So you can see that this is how you can actually play around with the time frames and navigate it, customize your own time frame, and bookmark your favorite time frame. And I also don't use the 37, so I'll just remove this. And that's it.